Hey YouTube, it's Andrew, the Bearded Giant. So I am not a practiced electrician. I just do a little bit for what I need. But I picked up this tool from Klein Tools called the Katapult. And what it does is it can allow you to strip a wire really easy and precise. So there's different gauges of wire on there, so you can do quite a range of stuff. But it just works so nice every time. Anyway, man, I recommend this thing. The other tool I picked up is this 18 volt adapter or a 20 volt adapter, so I can use 20 volt batteries in 18 volt tools. So you can see it plugs in the same. You just take a 20 volt battery, click it into that adapter, and it's not that much bigger. It's actually lighter. It's much lighter than this 18 volt. So I can use my new 20 volt tools with the new batteries and my old 18 volt tools. And because my old 18 volt tools, the tools are fine, just the batteries are getting old. And instead of spending $100 to replace the 18 volt battery, or buying a new 20 volt tool for a tool that works just fine, I can use my new 20 volt batteries from my 20 volt tools in the old 18 volt tool set, which I think is a smart thing to do on DeWalt's part. Keeps the customers happy and the like. So there we go. A new Klein tool, the Katapult, and an adapter to use 20 volt batteries on an 18 volt tool.